Hello people, I'm in the Douro Valley now. I came here with the Wild Douro and the Twin Wineries in Israel by Nurit Poran. This is the day that we are in the Douro Valley, but until now we are traveling from the south to the north and eat in a beautiful wineries. This was a journey. It was an amazing journey of amazing flavors in this restaurant. We learned about the traditional food here in Portugal. We meet people, we saw beautiful wineries.
Quinta is the name that we give to the state. The vines, the winery, we call that quinta. So usually higher altitude, lower temperature. And for the white wine, we rather prefer a lighter, more mineral, less complex.
Thanks to Wild Douro, I'm seeing Portugal as I wanted to see, as I desire to see. Soon we are coming back and we'll do it again, but first I have to go to eat some lunch and drink some port. Ciao.